Today's our teacher's K-pop Korean song number 158. 세상에 뿌려진 사랑만큼 by 이승환. Like the love sprayed on the wall, released in 1991. I'll try to sing this song in English version, written by me, our teacher. Still to me not enough. Your eyes that saw me like the love sprayed on the wall. I couldn't find what you meant. Always like that time makes frequent for